with a musical performance of Geet Govindam. This will be performed by Srimati Vijayashree Samal and Shri Uday Majumdar. A small introduction of our artists. Vijayashree Samal is an Indian singer, composer, teacher, and graded artist of All India Radio. She is the founding member of International Indian Spice Jazz World Music Group, Nandi Ghosha, and a member of Beyond Music by the Swiss non-profit Beyond Foundation together with Tina Turner. She's based in Switzerland since 2006, teaching Indian classical music at Geneva and Zurich, besides playing in concerts and teaching worldwide through online classes. Over the years, Vijayashree has gained popularity due to her successful world music collaborations involving artists of international acclaim. She has worked with many internationally acclaimed artists like multiple Grammy Award-winning artists and producers. And many renowned and talented artists from all over the world. She's blessed with an extremely melodious voice and known for her divine and clear rendition. We now move on to introduction of Shri Uday Majumdar. Uday is from a family of musicians and fine artists of Allahabad. His father, the late Partho Sarathi Majumdar, is among the first generation of guitarists in the field of Indian classical music. A versatile tabla player of the Banaras Gharana and also a composer of great finesse, Uday has over the years consciously evolved into an evocative and expressive tabla player. This could also be attributed to his musicianship and sensitive approach, both artistically and professionally. His dedication and commitment to the classical music genre and the time-tested Indian drum has made him equally adept as a soloist and as an accompanist. Uday thus naturally aspires to apply his skills to integrate the tabla as part of a musical whole in the performance arena. Let's look forward to the performance of Geet Govindam. Thank you.
Namaskar. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all of you and to SIFA. And we are extremely glad that we get this opportunity to present Jayadev Gita Govinda as well as Odissi. So the very first presentation is an Odissi piece. I would be presenting it in a traditional manner. The composition is by Kabikula Chandra Upendra Bhanja, and it is in a rag called Chintakamodi and set to Tripata, but I would be presenting it in Rupak with Pandit Uday Majumdarji. Now the song takes into account several different stories from different mythological periods. So there is a story from Ramayana, there is a story from Mahabharata, there is a story of Gopi, how they were trapped in forest fire and how Krishna helped them. So basically the song describes a complete surrender of all of us to Lord Jagannath or Lord Krishna. Mano uddharana karo he karana sarana mutumbha padatale, which literally translates to, please keep my dignity intact when I perform my duties in this Bhavasagara or in this world. Ooh. the next presentation is an Odissi piece composed by Kavikula Chandra Upendra Bhanja. That's why also this is called as Bhanja Sangeet. And this song is composed in a rag called Natanarayan. And the song takes into account the love, the eternal love of Radha and Krishna. So basically it's a conversation between Radha and her Sakhi. So she's telling that I would make a garland of jasmine flower and I would offer it to Lord Krishna. Further she says, if ever I find Krishna is sweating due to the scorching heat of summer, then I would not hesitate to wipe the sweat drops using my own sari. Then she tells that if ever Krishna will be my husband, then I vow in the name of Lord Mahadev that rest of my life I will offer puja to Mahadev. Then she says that if ever Krishna gets angry, then I will offer him sweet pan and I will kiss his cheek so that he will be very happy on me. And I will serve his feet for rest of my life. So Molli Mala Shamaku Debi literally means I would offer a garland of jasmine flower to Sham.
Jibe
you so much. So the next presentation will be a Gita Govind composition. Very freshly composed and one of my favorite now by Guruji Pandit Uday Majumdar ji. So the poetry has been simplified as well for layman's understanding. So I will be presenting this Gita Govinda for all of you. Guruji, we would like to tell something about the song. It's very nice song actually. What is
Radha ji speaking about Krishna, that he always comes in my dreams. Because they had a fight together and they don't see each other anymore. But still Radha ji is so much in love of Krishna that in the nights Krishna is always coming in her dreams. So that's why in Hindi it says sapno mein sudhi ban ke aate hain. In my dreams he comes as a memory. Thank you.
And also this is composed in such a beautiful rag, Gorakh Kalyan and Mishra Gorakh Kalyan. So I am sure you are going to like this.
सपनों में सुधी बनकर आते, 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 सखी वे भुला भुला कर भाते, सखी वे भुला भुला कर भाते, सपनों में सुधी बनकर आते। निर्गुनिया ने गुण ही बन के गुन गुन स्वर भर जाते हैं, निर्गुनिया के गुण ही मन में गुन गुन स्वर भर जाते, पर रत होने पर भी मुझ में रति, पर रत होने पर भी मुझ में रति बन कर डर जाते, सखी वे भूला भूला कर भाते, सखी वे भूला भूला कर भाते, सपनों में सुधी बनकर आते। निर्गुनिया के गुण ही मन में गुन गुन स्वर भर जाते हैं, निर्गुनिया के गुण ही मन में गुन गुन स्वर भर जाते, पर रत होने पर भी मुझ में रति, पर रत होने पर भी मुझ में रति, बन कर डर जाते हैं सखी वे भूला भूला कर भाते, सखी वे भूला भूला कर भाते, सपनों में सुधी सपनों में सुधी सपनों में सुधी बनकर आते। I don't know really how much time we have. So we are going to present the last piece. So we are going to present again Gita Govindam, traditional composition composed by Pandit Raghunath Panigrahi, and this is actually Ashtapadi 17. So there are 8 stanzas, as you all know. It is Ashtapadi, but I am going to present two stanzas. So the context of this Ashtapadi is as such that Krishna has spent his night with somebody else, and the next day morning he came to Radha, who has spent a sleepless night. So she has a lot of pain, sadness and agony in her heart. So when Krishna wanted to console her with mere words, so she is complaining and telling her expressions and love. रजनी जनिता गुरु जागरा राग कषायितम् रजनी जनिता गुरु जागरा राग कषायितम् निमेषं वहति नयनम् अनुरागमिव स्फुट वहति नयनम् अनुरागमिव स्फुट मुदित रसाभिनिवेशम् हरि 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 याहि माधव याहि केशव मावद कैतव बाध कैतववादम् मावद कैतववादम् कजल मलिन विलोचन चुम्बन विरचित नीलिमरूपम् कजल मलिन विलोचन चुम्बन विरचित नीलिमरूपम् दशनवसनम् अरुणं तव कृष्णा तनोति तनोरणुरूपम् मावद कैतववादम् मावद कैतववादम् श्रीजयदेव भणितारति वञ्चित खण्डित युवती विलापम् श्रीजयदेव भणितारति वञ्चित खण्डित युवती विलापम् शृणुत सुधा मधुरं विबुधा विबुधा लयतु विदुरारम् मावद कैतववादम् मावद कैतववादम् मावद कैतववादम्. Thank you so much. I would take this opportunity to thank you, Guruji, coming all the way from Basel. And thank you, Shakambari and Sifa, for giving us this opportunity. And I'm very happy because I come from Odisha and Guruji come from Bengal, and we worship Lord Jagannath. And we say that Lord Jagannath wouldn't go to sleep without listening Gita Govindam every day. And so I'm very happy presenting Gita Govindam for all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.